front side of it.
I know, we're trying to get through. Alright, this is the river. We portaged in at the front there, and now we're in the jungle river. It's pretty tight, there's not much water, we're in and out of the canoes, it's pretty fun.
Hold on, Ben.
Yeah, we might have to. Here we go, this is the front of where we're going. And then, Ben. We just came through there.
Yes, it is bad, very bad.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Do not wait.
Come on, Ben.
Out again. It's a nice regular route in the June when there's water. And about 1 million mosquitoes, but this is pretty fun. Oh yeah. There we go. Good stuff. Okay. Yeah, you're doing good. Look at that. I probably should be helping. Oh, that was a stick. Ow. God. Trying to kill me. Oh, Mike's stuck in the mud. There goes your boot. Oh, nasty. It smells like poopy. Like beaver poop.